Hello all, today in this video I'm going to provide a demo regarding an crop yield prediction with random forest work. Already with the same data set we have worked with the two other algorithms, and if you are following our channel means you may know the details. Now we are going to see a demo. So initially we are just importing the libraries. So we have used crop yield data set. Other than classification, here we are moving with regression since our data is having both categorical and numerical data. So we are working with both these data. For that only we have moved with regression, and is also we are working with pre-processing with label encoder. And here also you can see that we are making to display our data set in an heat map, and then we are grouping the data set by crops, production and area. This is the crop, production and area. To see how many crops is there, more than 50 crops will be available in this data set. From this data set, this yield value will be taking for the y variable, and apart from that everything will be taken for the x variable. And I said that it will have nearly more than 50 crops, so you can see that crop details over here. This data set I downloaded from Kaggle, and then we are declaring our x variable and y variable. As I said, x variable we are dropping every the yield value, and apart from that we are choosing everything as the x variable. For y variable we are choosing only the yield, and then if we are checking with the x variable whether it is having any dummies, and then we are moving to the train test split function to split our data set into x train, x test, and y train and y test. And here we are using the test size as 0.2, that is 20% will be taken for testing and the remaining 80% will be taken for training. If you want some other different percentage means you can just change it over here. Previously we have worked with linear regression, and the demo will be it will be in another video. And also we have worked with the decision tree, and when comparing this linear regression and decision tree, it is proved that this decision tree is providing better accuracy when compared to this linear regression. And then in this code we are going to, in this demo we are going to work with the random forest regression. For that we are going to import the random forest regression library, and our calling our random forest regression function by using random state as 1. Then we are training our data set by using the fit function, and also the training variables like x train and y train. And then we are testing our data set by using the predict function and also the testing variables. Now we are declaring the values of accuracy, mean square error and R2 score, and then we are made to display the accuracy train and accuracy test model of the random forest model. Here you can notice that the train model is 99.44, but test is not as high as train model. It is showing only less accuracy, but when compared to this decision tree test model is high, but training model it's not high. Linear forest, the linear regression, it is high only. So we are also making this model to make an comparison. For that we are making some loop. In that loop we are calling every data, every models and all, and then we are going to display the accuracy of train and test of every model in the same output. Here you can see, and also we are going to make a table. In the table we will be seeing like the model which with the better one will be shown with green, and the least one will be shown with the red representation. So now you can see the linear regression is the best. It's not showing better results when compared to this decision tree and forest. With this particular data set you can see the results too. Random forest is only providing better results with this particular data set, so only it is highlighted in red, and others it is highlighted at linear regression it is highlighted in random forest providing red, the Agreed, since it's best. Linear regression, it is highlighted in red since it's not providing the best classification. And also decision tree comes within this linear regression and random forest. This is better than linear random forest uh, and others. So this is the data. This is the demo for this work, and we have also made a comparison by using a table. In the next work, we will work with the gradient booster regression with the same data set. Thank you. So if you are interested in making some other demo video means, please let us know in the comment box. So if we are aware of it means, we will definitely make a video regarding that. Thank you.